The fuel rods are keeping cheap big!
You said it was fully functional. This is repairable.
You want to throw a kilowatt away from the club feed now! Move it!
Attention, but due to persist.
The Force moves in silence.
You knocked it over! Liar! You tricked me!
We're not alone. Watch the entrance.
She's ready. Finally.
Keep moving, spike ears.
There is peace in the circuit. There is calm in the current.
You don't want to do this.
You know what this is. You know who it's belonged to. Don't pretend it's just junk.
Krytalna worm, Shilaktuzar.
Not again.
Fire it up! She's alive!
You'll regret this. I know people!
Danger. Price.
Alright.
Griffing Tuscan Raiders. Jump in. I don't know.
Look, stay down!
Another delay? We're not smuggling sand.
For the next grand.
Not again. For the cause.
They took the blue crate from Hangar 9. We move at dusk. No ships, no signal. The Empire already knows.
They're coming. Hurry, hurry.
Done.
The Empire sees a light, but we live in the dark.
Choice. I dumped the whole shipment. Spices, droids, even that damn protocol unit screaming in binary. The tie was right on my tail.
They're coming. I can feel it in the dust. This one will fly.
They're here. I can feel it.
Clear Sector A!
No! Wait, I don't have anything!
No time! Go, go, go! Hold the line! They're coming!
The stars still speak, even when men do not.
Priority artifact. Eliminate interference. Acknowledged.
They're in center north! Hold the line! Don't let them take the gate! We're under heavy fire! It requires immediate backup! Help me!
This way. Move fast. Stay quiet.
We've lost containment.
You have failed me for the last time. Send the bounty hunters. No survivors.
They won't get away with it.
Another quiet morning.
You know the rules? No protection, no repair. I'll have the credits by tomorrow. I heard they didn't just take old Zaf.
That thing again? Looks like it barely made it.
If it lies like junk, lands like a legend.
We survive, but at what cost?
Pew! Gone! Woo!
Still flying, Jax. Still remembering.
I've flown around with Imperial tails breathing down my thrusters. Phase 1 aged. You need predictability, not pure atmosphere.
Repeat, Ghost 2, avoid Sector K7. Increase patrols.
Fuel's low. Enough for one jump. And we jump before they scan the canyon.
Trouble always follows that one. Remove now. No questions.
Post flight.
No credit, no passage!